trigonometric ratios of standard angles. Now this is a table. Okay, these are a function: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. These are a angle means 0 degree, 0, pi by 6 or 30 degree, pi by 4 means 45 degree, pi by 3 means 60 degree, pi by 2 means 90 degree. Okay. Now first one, sine. Sine 0 is a 0, very simple. And sine 30 degree is a 1 by 2. And sine 45 degree is a 1 by root 2. And sine 60 degree is a root 3 by 2. Okay. Then sine 90 is 1. This is a sine function. Now cosine. Cosine 0 is a 1. Cosine 30 degree is a root 3 by 2. And cosine 45 degree is a 1 by root 2. Cosine 60 degree is a 1 by 2. And cosine 90 degree is a 0. Only remember these two, sine and cosine. Remaining are very simple. So how to remember remaining functions? This is very simple. First remaining sine and cosine. Now third one is a tan. Tan means what? Sine by cos. Tan 0 means sine by cos, means 0 by 1. 0 only. Tan 30 degree means sine divided by cos. 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 cancel. You get 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degree. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 cancel. You get 1. Now tan 60 degree. This sine by cos. 2 cancel. Only root 3. Okay. Now tan 90 degree. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. Now cot. Cot means what? Cos divided by sine. Now cot 0 degree is a 1 by 0. Means infinity. Okay. Now cot 30 degree. Cos by sine. 3 by root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Means is a root 3 only. Now cot means cos by sine. 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. You get 1 only. Now cot 60 degrees 1 by root 2 divided by 3 by root 3 by 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. We get 1 by root 3. Now cot 90 degree means cos by sine. 0 by 1 is a 0 only. Next is a cosec. Secant. Secant means what? 1 by cos. 1 divided by cos. 1 upon 1 is a 1 only. Secant 30 degree is a 1 upon root 3 by 2. That is a 2 by root 3. Secant 45 degree. 1 by cos. 1 upon 1 by root 2 is a root 2 only. Secant upon 60 degree. Taking this cos, 1 upon 1 by 2 means 2 only. Secant 90 degree is a 1 by cos. 1 by cos means 1 upon cos is a 0. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is a infinity. Next is a cosecant. Cosecant means 1 by sine. Cosec 0 is a 1 by sine. 1 by sine is a what? 0. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is a infinity. Cosec 30 degree is a 1 upon 1 by 2 means 2 only. Cosec 45 degree is a 1 upon 1 by root 2 means root 2 only. Cosec 60 degree is a 1 upon root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3. Cosec 90 degree is a 1 upon sine. 1 upon 1 only, 1 only. Only remember sine and cosine. Rest are means tan means sine by cos. Cot means cos by sine. Secant means 1 by cos. Cosec means 1 by sine. This is easy to remember. This trigonometric ratios of standard angles table.